name is Tapia, and this is a story about me and my family. Hope you enjoy it. Hurry up. Wake up. You got a meeting at 9:30. It's already being late. Today weather is good, temperature about 81. Good day to work. You only slept 4 hours last night, not good, so get home early today, take some rest, and? Do you need coffee? Latte as usual? Or espresso?
Espresso. Double.
Sure.
Tapia! Can you get the lipstick we did last time? Lux, number 7.
Reorder. Lux number 7 lipstick.
Thank you.
It's been 2 weeks since last time you call your mom. Don't you miss her? Maybe it's time to stop quarreling with each other?
Tapia, call my mom.
Yes.
모시모시.
Tapia. Talk robot companion.
It looks like a state-of-the-art optical sensor, scanning invisible code 500 times each second. It looks like artificial intelligence, equipped with advanced weaponry, designed specifically to stop you. And it looks like your rad dad with his iPad, taking you out, once again. Onky Overdrive, drive the future.
Meet Ido.
What can I do for you today?
Ido is a part of your family.
Good morning.
He's an intelligent, capable, and affordable companion.
Morning, Ido. What's going on today?
He can do just about anything. The help you have always wanted. A handyman. A teacher. A friend.
This is fun.
He is perfect in every way. He can be just about anyone. carer.
Thank you, Ida.
A homemaker. He's a personal butler who's trustworthy. He is whatever you want him to be.
Ada, can you show me the Milky Way story?
Sure.
Introducing the latest advancement in the field of fun. Meet CodyBot, designed by MakeBlock. This smart robot teaches kids the basics in computer programming using a simple graphic programming language similar to MIT's Scratch. You can give the robot a series of commands, then immediately see the magic happen. This provides a safe and easy introduction to the language and mindset of computer programmers. In free play mode, you can just start playing. Every spin, grin, dance, and silly voice
Coding is fun.
naturally teaches coding skills. You can customize CodyBot in so many ways, or pair two CodyBots together for battle mode. May the best CodyBot win. CodyBot is an open platform to learn, explore, and discover. Equip your child with the fundamentals they need to thrive in the age of robotics with CodyBot.